Hey, it's Carl Thompson here from StorageCraft. I've had a couple of queries over the last sort of week or two around how to back up directly to the cloud, particularly with this whole COVID-19, people are in situations where they don't have storage on site and they need to get a quick, maybe a one-off backup or something of a server or a critical machine off-site. And I had a thought today, for a lot of our partners that have our IT Edition tool, there is a potential way that we might be able to do something here. So I've got a subscription to Microsoft Azure, and I just created up an Azure File Share. And basically, I've just called this IT Edition. But what this is effectively is it's a network drive that I can map directly to. So when I click on Connect here, there's actually a PowerShell command you can run. But in here has actually got the UNC path and the username and password. So I'm going to copy this. I'll chuck it into a notepad. So in here, I've got the UNC path. I've got a password. And you'll note here, you kind of just got to watch the portion that you're copying and the username here. So using those credentials, I'm going to go ahead here and jump into PC. I've actually mapped a network drive to it, but the IT Edition won't actually see that, so we're just going to put in that UNC path directly. But in the IT Edition, start Shadow Protect. It's actually launching up on my other monitor here, so I'm just going to pull it over. In Wizards, Backup Wizard, next. I'll just choose C drive here. It's a quite a large 400 gigs actually used here, so this is going to take a while. Obviously with IT Edition we can only do full backup, can't do incrementals. Put in the UNC path in here again that I copied out of the text file. So we'll just bring that back here. You can see here this setting has got the UNC path in there like that. So just copy that, chuck it in. I've just done this before recording actually, so it hasn't popped up and asked me for the credentials, but basically you'll click specify other user, and then in there you'll put in the username as, in my example here it's Azure /STCAU, and then for the password, what I did was actually looked at the username here. It had kind of those two characters at the front there, so it was ignoring them, and then the same sort of reverse at the back. So I don't want to capture that part of it because that's not part of the password. But anyway, that's what I copied, pasted that in there, went next. Compression, it's a good idea to encrypt. Just going to put in here test. Probably make sure I spelled it the same, otherwise it won't let me go next. Go next and finish. And really it's that easy. That's now going to back up directly to Azure. There's no local storage available here, so it's easy to do. But what will be interesting is really sort of ascertaining what kind of throughput this is going to get. So just give it a few minutes to do the initial snapshot, and we should start seeing some performance times here. I think when I ran it before for a couple of minutes, it got up to about 7 megabytes a second. So it's not horrendously slow, but it is still going to take a while. So it does depend on your bandwidth, obviously, and how much data you're actually trying to back up. But if you're completely stuck and all you've got is remote access and you want to get a backup of something in case everything goes wrong, this might be an option for you. We can see here it's already cranking up a little bit in terms of speed. So it's not going to be flash. Obviously, going to Azure File Share is not going to be the fastest way to back up, but this is going to be a full image of the entire machine. We sell subscriptions, and you can buy. I think it's a 1 or 2 week. I think it's a 2-week option, or a 3-month, or a year. So there's various options around a subscription to our IT Edition tool. But yeah, feel free to give that a go if it's something that might help. Cheers.